Hello, my dear student. Today's topic is enzyme as drug targets. Drug targets, already we have seen what are drug targets, what does that mean. So, enzyme is one of the drug target. So, what is enzymes? Enzymes are biocatalyst that changes rate of reaction takes place in living system. And what are drug targets? Drug targets are nothing but some molecule, micromolecule like protein, nucleic acid present in body that could be addressed or bind by drug, and so we can get some desired effect. That means we can control disease condition by targeting some this molecule. These are nothing but drug targets. In short, to improve some condition we are targeting some molecule present in body, living body, and by targeting that there will be some change, whatever we need to change. For example, if you want to reduce blood pressure, then we will target ACE in enzymes. Okay, we will inhibit ACE enzymes, and that will reduce the production of angiotensin to vasoconstrictor, so we can control blood pressure. So in this process, we are targeting this enzyme. That's why these are drug targets. Like this, in so many disease condition, these enzymes play some role, and by inhibiting these enzymes we are controlling these disease conditions. So enzymes are drug targets. The substance which can inhibit enzyme to act as catalyst is nothing but enzyme inhibitors. In this case, if we are saying about disease only, so in this case inhibitors are drugs. For example, this AC inhibitors already we discussed. COX enzyme inhibitors, that is cyclooxygenase enzyme inhibitors, are nothing but painkillers. This enzyme responsible for inflammation. So to reduce inflammation, we have to inhibit these enzymes, and by ibuprofen like painkiller, we can inhibit this. So these are nothing but COX enzyme inhibitors. Okay, they will inhibit this inflammation and reduce pain. Enzyme process that occur in pathogen may not occur in human. Therefore, inhibitor active in pathogen will not create in problem in similar process in humans. So there is less side effect. Okay, every time we are not targeting only enzymes in human only. So for some condition we are targeting enzymes in human. For some condition we are targeting enzyme in pathogen. That pathogen which is causing some infection. Okay, so these enzymes are very specific. So the inhibitor or drug active for inhibition of enzyme in pathogen will not active in human process. So there is very good advantages of this enzyme as a drug target. Okay, enzyme inhibitors can act reversibly or irreversibly. That's why there are two type of enzyme inhibitors: reversible inhibitors and irreversible inhibitors. Reversible inhibitors bind to an enzyme by weak bonds, electrostatic bond, hydrogen bond, and van der Waals forces, and form equilibrium system with enzyme. So enzyme plus inhibitor gives enzyme inhibitor complex, and it this complex is always in equilibrium with starting material. Okay, in reversible inhibition, this complex enzyme inhibitor complex always in equilibrium with starting material. Next type is irreversible inhibitors. These irreversible inhibitors bind to enzyme by strong covalent bond or strong non-covalent bond. Okay, either covalent or non-covalent but strong. Okay, in reversible inhibitors bond is strong only, and in reversible weak bonds. So here in irreversible inhibitor, enzyme plus inhibitor form complex, and it is not in equilibrium. Okay, Enzyme inhibitors are divided into two types, as we have seen: reversible inhibitors and irreversible inhibitors. But further they are again divided into two types: reversible inhibitor divided into competitive inhibitors, non-competitive inhibitors, and uncompetitive inhibitors. Irreversible inhibitors are of two types: active site directed inhibitors and suicide inhibitors. Suicide inhibitors are nothing but irreversible mechanism based inhibitors. So reversible inhibitors, three types: competitive, non-competitive, and competitive. Competitive inhibitors are nothing but they are competing with substrate for same active site on enzyme. Okay, so the inhibitor bind by reversible competitive inhibitors bind by a reversible process to the same active site of enzyme as the substrate and inhibitor compete for the same site indicate they are similar in structure. This enforcement could be useful for drug designing. Non-competitive inhibitors. In non-competitive inhibitor inhibition, this non-competitive inhibitor bind reversibly to an allosteric site of enzyme. Here is no competition for substrate, okay, because inhibitors bind reversibly to an allosteric site on the enzyme. Binding of inhibitors causes conformational change in the structure of enzyme, which reduce the chance of substrate to bind to the enzyme. Uncompetitive inhibitors, here what, these inhibitors form complex with enzyme substrate complex and prevent substrate reacting to form normal product. Irreversible inhibitors, these are two types: active site directed inhibitors and suicide inhibitors. Active site directed inhibitors bind at or near to the active site of enzyme, like aspirin irreversibly inhibit prostaglandin synthesis, this control pain. Suicide inhibitors bind to the active site, there it is modified. Okay, first it will bind to active site and it is modified by enzyme to produce a reactive group which reacts irreversibly to form a stable inhibitor enzyme complex. Transition state inhibitors, okay, during formation of enzyme substrate complex there is transition state or some biochemical process required. In disease condition also have this transition state. So if any other stable compound is similar to this transition state, it can act as inhibitor. For example, this is one biochemical process required for cancerous cells, required for cancer cells to grow. Okay, so if we inhibit this reaction in initial stage, there will be no growth of cancerous cells. So in this reaction, this you can see A, B, C. So B is a transition state and C is a stable compound. So this stable compound and transition state are very much similar. This stable compound will replace this transition state and it will block the further development of this reaction. Then there will be no growth of cancerous cell. Okay, why it will bind? Because it is very similar to transition state, and transition state have amino group required for next step which is absent in this stable compound. So it will replace, and essential amino group is absent, so it will halt the process here only. This is nothing but transition state inhibitors. There, there are so many drugs targeting enzymes. Okay, we are going to discuss some of them. Drug that targets enzymes: statins are cholesterol lowering drug or lipid lowering drug. Okay, these statins inhibit enzyme HMG coenzyme A reductase. Okay, which is very useful for reducing cholesterol levels. Okay, captopril ACE inhibitors, we already discussed so many times ACE inhibition. So this captopril is ACE inhibitor and it is used in the treatment of hypertension. Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs like ibuprofen inhibit cyclooxygenase enzyme, useful to reduce pain and fever. Okay, thanks for watching.